We're given this question to solve, and we're asked to find the equivalent resistance of this circuit and also the current that's flowing through this circuit. Then the voltage supplied by the battery is equals to 24 volts. Now how do we do this? First of all, let's find the equivalent resistance in this circuit. Now if you look at this circuit, you see that this resistor and this resistor are both connected in series, and then to find the equivalent resistance of resistors connected in series, we simply add the resistors together. So for these two resistors that are connected in series, the resistance, total resistance, is equals to 4 plus 8, which is equals to 12 ohms. Alright, now the equivalent resistance of these 4 ohms and 8 ohms is equals to 12 ohms, and then this 12 ohms is now connected to 6 ohms in parallel. Alright, these two resistors are in series, and then they are in parallel to this 6 ohm resistor. So we're going to solve 12 ohms and 6 ohms in parallel, and so you know that the equivalent resistance when they're connected in parallel is equals to 1 over 12 ohms plus 1 over 6 ohms. So you have that the equivalent resistance is equals to the SM of 12 and 6 is equals to 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Plus 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 1 plus 2 is 3 over 12. So let's take the inverse of both sides, and then we have that the total resistance for this one here, that's for this one here, is given by 12 over 3, which is equals to 4 ohms. Now all of these resistors are connected in series to these 4 ohms and 4 ohms. So what we are going to have here is, now the equivalent resistance is going to be equals to 4 ohms plus, that is this 4 ohms here, then plus this 4 ohms plus this 4 ohms. So we have 4 ohms plus 4 ohms. So the equivalent resistance is equals to 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. So this is equals to 12 ohms. So the equivalent resistance of the resistors in that circuit is equals to 12 ohms. Now how do you calculate the current? We're going to use the Ohm's law. V is equals to current times the resistors. Now the voltage here is 12 volts, and then we know the equivalent resistance, which is equals to 12 ohms. Then this current is what we are looking for. Now let's make current the subject of the formula. Is going to be equals to V over the equivalent resistance, which is equals to 24 volts divided by the equivalent resistance is 12. Now 24 divided by 12 is equals to 3. So I have that the current that's flowing through this circuit is equals to 3 amperes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Don't forget to drop your comments, like this video, and share with your friends. Have a nice day.